Hi guys, so today we are going to be trying something different. We are not going to be making a new dress. Instead, we are going to be making some amendments to this dress. Yes, so this dress. So I'm just going to show you how the dress looks like. And if you're just seeing this face for the first time, welcome to the channel. I am Cecilia and you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate everything. I appreciate the support and the encouragement you are giving to this channel, to this small girl that is standing in your front, by watching the videos and liking the videos as well. And if you have not been liking my video, you are wrong now. Kindly like them and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You can also drop one or two things in the comment section and I'll be looking forward to see that interaction. You liking the video helps the algorithm to boost the video to other people that might be in need of it. Thank you. So let's just get started with it. So this is the first dress. This is the first dress. This is how it looks like. And basically what I want to do is just to fit it in. Alright, to fit it in, to be a bit shapy. I want to shape it to the client's measurements. I want to shape it to the person's measurements. And for this, it's not a client though. For this I just want to, cut this in a bit, just to fold it in a bit. Is a bit long. That's just what is wrong with the trousers. And for this is a skirt that looks like that has a short in it. This place is kind of closed, so I just want to open it here and fix a bit in here, just to shape this one as well. And for this skirt as well, basically what I just want to do to most of it is just to hold it by the side, and that's just it. Okay guys, so right now you won't be seeing my face again. So I've gone ahead to, let me turn it so you will see what I'm actually saying. I've gone ahead to open it up. I've loosened this part. As you can see, I've loosened this part. This is the part I loosened, and this part as well. So now I want to first take it in. So now the traditional way that we know, if we want to amend our clothes, we want to take it to fit in, we just go in like this and just sit like this. No, we are not going to be sewing it like this. What I'm going to do is, from this opening that I have right here, I'm going to go in and we'll have something like this. So I'm just going to take in whatever it is that I want to take in, all through down to this point. Alright, and I'll also go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. So I'll go in here for this other side, and I'm just going to basically take in whatever it is I'm going to take all around. Alright, so that way our sewing is going to be neat and it won't even look as if we amended anything. So basically I'm just taking in 1/2 inch on both sides. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead to do it back, and here is what we have. You can see for this part, you can see how it is, and for the other side too. I've also gone ahead to close the opening, and you can see how neat it is. Would I tell you that some adjustments was made to this clothes? No. So that is it for the first one. Now for the second one, this one also has lining in outside, but then it's like this. So all I just have to do is to open it up like so and just sew it at the side. So I'm done with this one too as well. And just look at how neat it is. Look at how neat it is. So I decided to cut off some part. And I'm just going to do the same for this side. I'll cut it off. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and liking this video. Since I have it like this, and this is just what I want, and sew it like this. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead to do the whole part of this trousers offline. As I was filming, my phone went off, so I had to do it offline because of the time I did it. And I'm just going to iron it, and it looks so good. The next thing I want to do is this dress that I told you from the beginning. So I just want to go ahead and cut it. This one I'll actually cut it to slim fit it a bit, and let's just get into it. Guys, let's just start cutting. It's just a little bit I'm going to cut out of it. Just little. This part too, just very little bit. So I have the zip here. There's a zip that I'm going to fix back at this side, and that's basically what I want to do for this gown. So at this point, I'm just going to remove the zip from this place off camera, and I'll see you when I'm about to fix the zip. If you're dealing with an amendment where you have to fix the zip, make sure that your zip is staying where it's supposed to stay, because if it's not, then it's going to give you a problem. At this point, I'm already feeling this part too is not doing justice. So I have this zipper foot, and I'm just going to fix it in and fixing my zip. Don't forget to always remove your pin while sewing. So guys, I've gone ahead to fix it. You can see how neat and beautiful it is. What I just did was, after fixing my zip, I sewed it down with the hemming, and here we have it. So you can see it's just so simple to mend your clothes to your size, and don't worry, you can rock it. You can rock it so well that you don't have anything to worry about. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching my videos. If you're here to like my videos, make sure you like them. If you're just joining the family once again, please make sure to subscribe, and tell me in the comment section if you would love to be seeing more of this type of videos. Make sure to share to family and friends. For those of you that want to be mending your own clothes yourself instead of spending money, this is a call to do that. Make sure you share my videos to your family and friends. Once again, like, subscribe, and we'll see again in our next video. Bye.